qué lástima. Qué lástima. Qué lástima. And this expression means what a pity or what a shame. Okay, so if something bad happens, you can use this expression just to say, oh my God, what a pity, what a shame, you're not happy about what's happening. For example, Miguel renunció hoy. Miguel renunció hoy. Qué lástima. Era el mejor empleado. Qué lástima. Era el mejor empleado. So if someone says, Miguel renunció hoy, and if you liked Miguel because Miguel was a good employee, then you can say, qué lástima. Qué lástima. What a pity. Era el mejor empleado. I mean, we're talking specifically about Miguel, but it could be anybody, right? But Miguel renunció hoy means Miguel quit today. Okay? And qué lástima. What a pity. Okay? You're not happy about that. I mean, you're like, oh, that's bad, right? I'm not happy about it. He was the best employee. Era el mejor empleado. He was the best employee. Okay? So, that's a big circle. So that's how you can use qué lástima. It's similar to, oh, bummer, or, yeah, what a pity, what a shame. You don't like the situation. It's not going too well. So you can use qué lástima for that.